dear students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. I am your EVS teacher, Parul Madam. Today we are going to start EVS chapter number 1, Going to School. Okay children, before we start the chapter, let me ask you a question. How do you go to school? May it be by bus, by auto, by cycle, by van, and many other vehicles. But do you know, many children don't have such facilities like you to get to their schools. Yes, dear students, there are many children who don't have facilities like bus, auto, van to go to their schools. But still, they regularly attend their school. Would you like to know how hardship they undergo to get to their school? Okay then. What are we waiting for? Let's start.
Lesson number 1, Going to School. In this chapter, we will discuss what are the different modes that children use for going to school. Hey, look at the map of India and find Assam in it. We can see that Assam is located in northeast part of India. Here in Assam, it rains so much that everywhere we can see water logging. So, there is knee-high water everywhere. But still students are very eager to go to their school. In this figure, you can see how they cross the bamboo bridge to get to their school. With one hand, they hold books, and with another hand, they hold bamboo pole, and slowly, carefully, they cross the bamboo bridge and get to their school. This bamboo bridge is made of bamboo sticks, ropes, and poles. Now, look at the map of India and spot Ladakh in it. We can see that Ladakh is to the north of India. Here in Ladakh, students have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. As seen in the picture, there is a strong iron rope across the river. This iron rope is tied tightly with strong trees and rocks on both the sides. There is a trolley made of wood attached to this iron rope. 4 to 5 children sit in the trolley and cross the river. The trolley moves with the help of a pulley. Now, let us see how students from some other place having cement bridges get to their school. Cement bridges are used to cross some water bodies. These bridges are made of cement, bricks, and iron rods. A cement bridge is stronger than a bamboo bridge. These bridges may also have steps on either or both sides as shown in the picture. Students reach their school crossing these cement bridges. Many people can cross a cement bridge at a time. Cement bridges can be constructed over water, over a road, or between two mountains. It can be used by people, on foot, by vehicles, and also by animals. Now, let us see the map of India and find Kerala. Kerala is a South Indian state. In some parts of Kerala, students use Vallam to reach school. Vallam is a small wooden boat as shown in the picture. Students have to board in and off the boat very carefully. Now look at the map and look at Rajasthan. Rajasthan is situated in the northwestern region of India. Rajasthan is a desert state. There is sand all around, as seen in the picture. This sand gets very hot in the day. So children from Rajasthan ride in a camel cart to reach school. Now let's visit village in the plains. In village situated in the plains, children ride in bullock cart to reach their school. The bullock cart moves slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, children use their umbrellas for protection against sun or rain. See the faces of the children while going to school. How happy they are. In this picture, you can see a group of 7 to 8 girls riding on their bicycle for going to their school. At first, girls of this area did not go to school because the school was too far. But now they cross the long and difficult roads riding on their bicycles. We have seen that children from different places use different modes for going to school. We have also seen that in spite of hardships, children enjoy going to their school. Now, let us sum up today's session. Children from Assam cross bamboo bridge for going to school. Children from Ladakh use trolley. Children from Kerala use Vallam. Children from Rajasthan use camel cart. Children living in village in the plains use bullock cart. And children from other places cross cement bridges, use bicycle for going to school. Thank you. Take care.